はい、今回はですね、ビルドアベアというお店で自分でカスタマイズしてぬいぐるみを作ってきたので、その様子をご紹介します。
自分でカスタマイズしてぬいぐるみを作れるっていうお店です。外側選んで服とかも選んで作れます。Buy one get one for $10。これしたらスター・ウォーズの嫌か。それユニコーンじゃない？これ自分で作るの？いろいろ選んで。いろいろやってたらお金かかっちゃうね。はい。かわいいね。はい。これに。これがいい？ユニコーンね。これと、あとは、she wanna put the roller skate
Okay.
on.
So for the roller skates, you need 2 pairs of flat bottom shoes. And then 2 pairs of skates in whatever color you want, okay?
Oh, okay. Here?
Yeah.
This one? Okay.
These will work. We've got red, we've got black, we've got pink, and we got these pretty purple ones that I like. And these ones open. We also have rainbow. So these ones open and close so that way you can squeeze them around the shoes, but they go on just like this. And then you put them on the feet of the unicorn, and we'll stuff it up nice and firm so it doesn't fall down.
Okay.
But yeah, what color do you like? Do you want to see the rainbow ones? Which ones do you like?
さっきのがいい？ピンクがいい？それともこっちがいい？どっちがいい？ピンクとパープルがいい？こっち？ This one?
And I'll get you a basket to help you carry all of this in, okay? But now we gotta find the shoes so that way she can wear her skates, okay? Alrighty.
Okay. Thank you.
There too. Now what color shoes do you think she'd want? You can get pink. Pink shoes. Alright, so I got tons of pink choices. Are you ready? We have pink boots, pink flats, more pink flats. You want to see my favorites? I love these for skating shoes because you can tie them on nice and tight.
かわいいじゃん。
What do you think? You like
That
these
one?
ones too?
Okay.
Alright, I'll get you 2 pairs, okay?
Alright.
Because we want to put an outfit on her beforehand. Because I have a very special dress that she can wear. Would you like to see it? So I have this one here that she can fit. I have this one. I have this one. And then anything over here, look, this one will fit. Just about all of the outfits over here will fit nicely too. Anything that looks like this, that has the sleeves on the front of the Velcro, will fit a 4-legged friend the best. If it looks like this one or like this one, it won't fit very good because those are made for 2-legged friends.
Okay.
But we also have tutus that they can wear too, okay? Would you like to hold your basket? And you can feel free to look at all of the outfit choices.
Thank you. アウトフィットいらないか？いる？いる？
いるよね。
これ。はい。ちょっとお金かかっちゃうね、これね。もうくしゃくしゃだね。どうしよっか。これ引っ張るやつ。これだったっけ？これでいい？このカラーで。はい。じゃあちょっと入れてここに。
She's so awesome. Is this your first Build-A-Bear?
First one, yeah?
Okay, well, do you see that handy-dandy little step stool? On the count of 3, you're just going to step on it with all your might, okay? 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and step on it. Yay! Thank you so much. And then I'm just gonna have you hug her and make sure she feels just right, okay? You wanna give her a big old hug for me? Does she feel awesome? Look at, she's so pretty. Okay, do you wanna pick out a special little heart for me? So we're gonna rub our hearts in between our hands and get it all nice and warm. And then we're gonna tap, tap, tap to get that heart beating. We're gonna rub our heart on our knees because we need each other. We're gonna rub our heart on our heads because we're gonna be thinking of our new friends. We're gonna rub on our hearts on our cheeks because she's gonna make you smile.
Yep, grab your heart, put it in here. Yay, go ahead and give me a big old high five. Awesome. So I'm gonna stitch up your friend, and then did you want me to dress her for you? Yeah, we're gonna dress her up. She's almost done. Do you have a name for her yet? Not yet? So if you want to go to station number 4, you get to make your birth certificate and pick out a name for her, okay? We don't know what day is her birthday. Glitter's birthday.
today.
Today?
Please pick up your birth certificate.
So this is called a ladder stitch. It looks like a ladder when we're all done with it. Almost done. And her name is Glitter, right? Does that look good? You want to brush her mane? Good job. Oh my goodness. Good choice on leash. Alright, we're going to put her shoes on. Do you want to start with the back feet or the front feet? Which one? Back feet. Oh, those are beautiful. Good choice. Do you know how to tie your shoes? Well, the best part is you can learn with these ones too. Beautiful choice. It matches your uniform. Here you go. Go ahead and try it out. What do you think?
かわいいね。
You did amazing. Good choices.